look at that Ninja Chopper blender looking prop on there.
All right, here we go. Jeez, yeah, this thing is just wicked now with this new prop. Wow, 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 wow. This thing is thick now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the motor's unattached. Oh my God. This just in, guys. I found a hat finally. Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. If you guys remember this Recoil 2, we hit 31 miles an hour straight out of the box. And this thing's set on the box 25, so this already blew my expectations out of the water. Now I actually got a single little tiny upgrade, not including the better battery that we're gonna put in this thing. I really wanna see how fast this thing can go. And if you find that interesting, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. Let's hop into this. Now, as for the little tiny upgrade I mentioned, look at that Ninja Chopper blender looking prop on there. Instead of it being a 2-blade plastic prop, we got a triple blade stainless steel. This was the stock one, and it's hard to see, but I went like 2 millimeters wider. 30 to 31 miles an hour on the stock plastic prop. That's honestly, you really don't even want to go faster in this thing to just flat out enjoy it, make sure everything runs cool and whatnot. We're also going with a CNHL 2200 instead of a 1300 Spectrum. So this battery is bigger. It's just more battery. It's not more power, more voltage. It's just going to hold a little bit more power under load. And reason being is because we have about 900 more milliamp in this guy on top of the 1300. So when you apply load as you're going down the water, you know, load is applied to anything, voltage is going to drop. This is going to help keep the voltage up a little bit more under load. So, and if you guys want to get one of these really nice batteries from CNHL for yourselves, I'll have a link right up there to get yourselves one. Very nice high quality pack as well. This actually caps out at about 2300 after you cycle it twice. So it's really a 2300. Pretty cool. Also, if you guys haven't seen Innovation RC on Instagram, make sure you check that out. We'll have cool pictures, videos, and other cool things that you won't see on YouTube here. So make sure you check that. All right, so we're gonna be getting our top speed on 3S, and we're gonna be checking this on our little GPS guy over there. And yeah, so I also brought my Sonic Wake just in case if this thing wants to flip, and let's just say if something happens and it's out there and it doesn't self right, or let's say I have no power, I can still use the Sonic Wake to hopefully bring it back. So hopefully that doesn't need to happen. I'm gonna keep this thing pretty close to me when I'm standing out there. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let's hop into this. And here we go. We are all zeroed out on the GPS, and I will have to say it is quite a pretty day here out in Florida. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to put this in here. Hopefully it doesn't hit the motor at all, because it's an outrunner and we just need to be careful about that thing. Actually, I'm just gonna put this right over here real quick. Give her a little spin. All right, everything seems to be flowing quite nicely. And we're off. Gonna get some distance on her. And here we come. Whoa, went straight underwater. Oh, there it is. Oh my God, it did it again. Where'd it go? Oh my God. Thank God it self-rights. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the motor's unattached. Let's get the Sonic Wake out. All right, so this should be our last time. Hopefully we'll be able to get it now. We're about 8 feet out. Ever so lightly. Just letting it drift in towards me now. And success. Ooh, gotta be really careful because there are actually alligators. All right, stay. See, that's a joke because it's a boat and it can't drive itself on land. All right, so let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. 40 freaking miles an hour. 40 miles an hour, holy crap. We got 40 miles an hour in this little something, this little nothing right here. 40 miles an hour. It feels like the grub screw on the flex shaft that goes to the coupler came loose, because you could see right over there. Really hard to see. I'm spinning the shaft, but it's just not grabbing. All right, so here we go. We're all zeroed out once again. I'm gonna put the GPS here in the Recoil 2, and I'm gonna put this guy back on. Now, I did change one thing, actually. I'm just gonna leave this right here real quick. I did change one thing. The trim tabs in the back, I did actually move them up a little bit, because it seemed to be running kind of wet. Yeah, so hopefully we're not. All right, everything is smooth, everything's good. Oh, it's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, I'm gonna try to get on it slower this time. Oh my goodness, it just did a barrel roll. It seemed to hold up a little bit better. There you go, we self-righted. Oh, how nice that self-righting feature is. Come on, bring it on back. There we go. All right, let's see what we got that one pass. Yeah, I really made sure I tightened that grub screw down a lot more. And look at that, a new PB, 41 miles an hour. Oh my goodness, 41 freaking miles an hour in this little thing. 41, that's ridiculous. All right, so we have our brand new top speed, 41 miles an hour. And I was full throttle for like a couple seconds until it wanted to do its little barrel rolls. So adjusting the trim tabs a little bit did actually help. All right, here we go. Whoop, doing a lot better now. Jeez, yeah, this thing is just wicked now with this new prop. That is insane. Oh my God, the amount of thrust it puts out in the water from like nothing. Watch this. That's a literal missile, guys. Oh, there you go. We popped a wheelie there. Wow. That's insane. Yeah, now it's riding on top of the waves a lot better. Wow, 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 wow. This thing is thick now. That is just awesome. Now I think it's a lot better the way I adjusted these trim tabs. Oh. Oh, no way, the body came off. Well, that we can't rescue. I'm gonna have to go in for this one. Well, there it is, guys. I do not want to do this. I do not want to do this at all, but I'm just gonna do it. Oh, my phone just got all wet. One more time. Yeah. Oh, guys, my phone. I forgot about my phone. Oh, my goodness gracious. Let's see. Well, that was not something I've been wanting to do. Oh, I forgot it's a 1 Plus. Oh, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna call it with this guy. Why did it pop off? It really seemed like it was a secure kind of latch mechanism, but maybe I just gotta, you know, maybe I just gotta make sure it's tighter or something. I don't know, but we got the thing back. Thank God the GPS wasn't in there, because it would be at the bottom, and I really don't want to go scuba diving with, you know, with some gators, but all right, my shoes and socks are off. You guys know what that means. I'm done. I love this phone, by the way. All right, everything survived. I'm pretty happy about that. And actually, while my phone's out, guys, make sure you check out Innovation RC on Instagram right there. Might as well see if everything still works, and it seems like it does. Very, very nice. We have some really cool things on here that I won't show on YouTube, as well as future projects. That's right, guys. That beautiful chassis is from JBIRC. We have some futuristic stuff coming out as well. And there you go, we're getting some nice laps in with the Sonic Wake. Whoa, the bird got splashed. Poor bird, I did not mean to do that. You flew in the way. Let's see, full throttle in the turn. Oh, just got myself wet. Well, that really doesn't matter because I just walked in the water. Just trying to kill the battery. You know, I really like how fast it's going right now, just on 4S. Like, and I know that I can guarantee that nothing really breaks at this kind of speed. You know, and it's not too slow either. I think it's doing at least 45 or so on 4S, which is more than enough just to enjoy and cruise around. All right, I'm gonna bring her in now. Gotta try to only make right turns just because it's easier for the Sonic Wake or any V-hole really. And there we go. I'm really not gonna try to push this guy on battery, and then let's just say he gets stranded out there, then I don't have a rescue boat. And yeah, 2 times today. I'm not taking a 3rd time. Usually the 3rd time you just lose the boat. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. If you guys know of any rescue boats, make sure you drop them in the comments or a link or whatever, and I'll have to check it out. So I would greatly appreciate that. Alrighty guys, so as always, make sure you stay safe. Don't go in the water if there's a sign specifically saying that there could be alligators in there, and have a good one.